All right, welcome back to the shack, everybody. Just a very quick video. I am working on getting into turntable. So I got the curved turnout put in, and I got it all done. This is the cutout footprint for my Campbell's cooling tower and Campbell's water tower. Then I have a sand house that'll go next to this right here. That I did have that built, so I do have that built. So then it comes around, and then comes around and goes into the turntable. I don't know what happened to my joints. Some of my joints got messed up, so I'm gonna have to reposition this just a little bit. I'm trying to keep the curve at a 28 of a radius, so this way pretty much everything I have should traverse this without any issues. So I'm trying to keep it at least at a minimum of a 28. I mean, most of everything I have will do a 22 radius curve. I'm just trying to be a little bit more gracious with my curves on this. So, but yeah, that's where I'm at. So I'm just I'm gonna take a break. So I'm gonna redo these and get my gaps a little closer. And yeah, so that's where I'm at. So this comes in. And then it goes right onto the turntable, no issues. So that's where I'm at. But all right, everybody. Hope everybody's doing good. Stay safe out there. Stay cool if you got the hot weather. All right, take care.